Hello students, welcome to e-classes of Default School. Here we know about all about the birds. That is chapter number 4 of Science World book, class standard number 3. So this is the unit 2 last chapter, and here we know about all the birds. Okay, so planet Earth is blessed with many kinds of birds. So in the parks, in the gardens, you see there are the in the woods there are many birds are shown, and you can see the birds with different color and sizes. So they some birds are sight of some birds in the sky. It's simply a street for their eyes, and they have a well sight. It means they see very clearly everything. It's amazing to watch them take flight, glide, and through the air and land with the ace. You can see these are the example of some bird: peacock, sparrow, woodpecker, and parrot, pigeon, and crow, kingfisher, eagle, etc. There are over 10,000 types of birds. Do you know how birds fly? Birds have wings which help them to fly. They have strong muscles attached to the wings. They use their muscle to flap their wings and fly. So a bird flaps its wings both upwards and forwards in the air. It uses its tail to turn while it is flying. When it lands, it spreads out its wings to stop. This one you can see a bird is flying here, and the wings are upward and the tail helping him to flying. Okay, so not all the birds uses their wings to fly. There are many birds just like penguin, ostrich, and the kiwi and emu. They do not use their wings to fly at all. So penguins use their wings to swim or move in the water, and just like ducks and swans also use their wings to swim. Peacocks and hens cannot fly to very high, so they do not use their wings too often. You can see here these are the birds: penguin, emu, ostrich, kiwi, peacock, duck, and hen. The body of a bird. If we say about the body of a bird that is in different shape, the bird is in a boat shape, just like this. Okay, so it will help him to flying. Further, the bones of the bird is thin and hollow, just for the flying or the maintaining the light weight of its body, and which help him to fly easily. Okay, then after that, the feathers of a bird. The body of a bird is covered with feathers. You can see many feathers are appears in a bird's body, and the some birds have brightly colored feathers, so they look very beautiful. Birds are the only creatures that have features and help. The feathers also very important because they help him to fly. Okay, they also keep its body warm, and there are three kinds of feathers. You can see here the flight feathers, the down feathers, and the body feathers. So the flight feathers helps. These are the long feathers in the wings and tails and use them flying. The flight feathers are using for the fly. Then down feathers are soft and fluffy and keep the body warm, and the body feathers are cover the body. Then after that, beaks of a bird. So if we say about the beaks of a bird, you can see this one is a parrot, and a bird has no teeth, so it cannot chew its food. So how does it eat? Yes, it eat with the help of the beak. The beak helps it to pick up the food and bite it and crack the food into small pieces, and it is suited to food habits. So a parrot has hooked uh, or curved beak, so it helps to crack nuts and hard fruits. It also helps it to climb. Then after that, the eagle, you can see this one is the eagle. And eagle, vultures, kites, owls, and bugs have strong um, teeth. Strong sharp, uh, hugged beaks. The beaks help them to tear the flesh into small pieces. And if we talk about the woodpecker, you can see woodpecker has sharp pointed beaks which help him to make holes in the trunks of trees and pick up the insect for its food. And a duck also have a broad flat beak, so it also help him to dig the mud near water to pick up the insect and worms. Then after that, the kingfisher have a broad long pointed beak, and it also help him to keep to catch and hold fish. Then after that, the feet and the claws of a bird, you can see this is a heron, this is ostrich, and this is eagle, and this is cock, and this is duck. So they are different kinds of birds, and different kinds of bird have different kind of feet and claws. So some birds use their feet and claws to catch hold and eat food. So some birds use them to walk, hoop, swim, and climb and pitch. Some birds also use them to protect themselves. So pitching birds like crows and sparrow use their toes to hold onto branch of a tree. Firmly, this is called pitching. This helps a bird to sleep at night without falling off of a branch. Okay, so climbing birds, just like parrots, woodpeckers have two toes pointing upwards and two toes pointing downwards. So these toes help them to climb up and hold on to the branch of a tree. And praying birds, just like eagles and bugs, have very strong and sharp claws, that is talons. Okay, they help them to catch and hold the prey firmly. Then sketching birds like hen help surf and hard claws which help them to stretch or dig the ground to eat insect and seeds in it. Water birds, just like ducks, geese, have webbed feet to paddling and push the water while swimming. Birds watching is an interesting hobby. So water birds are some examples of water birds are swan, duck, and hen is not a water bird, but she have webbed feet. Okay, then water birds, just like herons, crows, walk through water and called wading birds, because they spread out the toes, help them to walk in the water. And the crossway is the very dangerous bird which can even kill a person. Then after that, we know about the homes of a bird. So, if we talk about the homes of a bird, the birds are live in a nest, and whenever they build a nest for their family or for laying eggs, so they eat the eggs hatched, and the chick stay there till they are old enough to fly. Then the nest keep birds safe from bad weather and enemies. So have you seen a bird's nest? Yes, you have also seen, because it find in it on the trees. So on the terrace of a ventilator of a house, or even on a ceiling fan. Okay, so the tailor bird use its beak to sew the leaves together with the thread and hole to make a nest. Then the wither birds uses its beak and weave leaves, grass twins together to make a beautiful nest. The bird enters its home through a hole in the nest. Then the woodpecker uses its beak to uh, f- to make a hole within the tree trunk. So penguins live in the cold place. They collect some stones and pebbles and make their nest. A nest is the bird's home. So you should never spoil one. Not nor should you disturb the bird or the its chick living in the nest. So these are the examples of some birds and their habitats. So you have to do the answer of the question by on, and after that I will sending the answer copy in your group. Thank you students, see you in next class with a new chapter.